Okay, so you go to this website and put your username. What is my password? What is my password? Okay. Yeah, and then you go to SRA, and here is the Max. What is your Max ID? You want to download? Do you remember?
Max 8383.
8383. And then you click search, and this all the files.
Yeah.
Then this is automatically selecting all of them, and then you just here you put host, you put ionode.js.a*.edu.sg, and user is your username and password, and the destination directory you put the destination directory you want to download data, and then you click download. And you then click download. Yeah, let's download the data to there. And that's it. What's that?
And is the profiling.
Create config. List all the files. Huh? Well, what do you mean? What is the question?
I just saw your video. You did the create config.sh.
Yeah.
In your SnakeMake pipeline.
Yeah.
Is to modify the configuration, right?
So if you create a configuration file for you, for example, here, not this one. For example, in this project, if you create this conf YAML file with all the folders, so this will define the tools, the directory for the tools, the path for the tools, the path for the databases, and the profilers to run.
Okay. So how do you create the config?
So you just run create config, and then all the folders include all the files, all the folders. So you have to do this.
Each one.
Yeah, so you have to do all of these to put in here. But there's a shortcut to do this, to use a wildcard. So you just do SA. So this. So this means all these with a prefix SA. So this way you create a config file with all this SA. And then if you look at the config file, it's just so the samples are those things that you should include. And here you can also modify this. So this will be the library ID. So this will be the library ID, and then this is the path. So because you're in this folder, so this is all this is just the this folder name. Yeah. Then what's next? Config to use program.
Your run pipeline.sh.
Yeah, so you can use you can modify this. If let's say I don't want to run metaflan, I can change this to 0, or I can remove this. Both works. Yeah. And then decontaminate mouse rates. So if you want to decontaminate against mouse, you just have to change the database for decon genome to the mouse one.
Okay.
So this is the similar path. So just have to, you can copy this. So change this to mm10. I think it's mm10. Yeah. Change to this. So and then you can just replace the human genome with this.
Okay.
So run Kraken 2 for job submission. The run pipeline do not run. So it doesn't run Kraken 2. So if you want to use Kraken 2 instead of Kraken 1, you have to set this to 0 or remove this line.
Okay.
And then run Kraken 2.
How come that time you run Kraken?
I don't know, I just run it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you can just run it if you want both.
Okay. So actually I put Metaflan 0 and Kraken 0, then after that I run Kraken 2.
Yeah, so that if you need Metaflan 2 and Kraken 2. So if you need Metaflan, both Metaflan and Metaflan 2, you can keep both.
What's the difference?
It's just for different versions. Like the Metaflan, if you are analyzing older samples to be consistent with the older pipeline.
Oh.
Yeah. And what's the next?
Okay, I'll just run both then.
Yeah, you can run both.
Then
Just
I make directory.
what's this? What's the next question?
Yeah, all the
what did you
highlight ones I'm not so sure.
For I in
the library the prefix.
Yeah,
Do your job
one.
submission with the run Kraken 2.
Yeah.
And that part. I don't know.
So it's the same.
It's like read 1, read 2, right?
Yeah, it's the same idea.
Yeah, but
So
the bracket, like I don't see any closing bracket, so I'm not so sure.
No, you have to. Don't think you copy correctly.
Yeah.
Can I? Yeah. So this is a library ID.
Yeah.
So for example, if I'm going to run Kraken 2 on all of this, so I have to do something like this. SA for all of this. I firstly just remove
the bracket thing.
Yeah. So so this has to be double quote.
How come double?
So here it's okay. You put you don't put quote, it's okay because there's options like this dash, because the whole thing here is a command you're gonna use to submit to the cluster. So this thing is a full thing, that's why you have to quote it. Otherwise, if you treat, so if let's say your command has something like a dash, has another dash T10, then this will confuse the program. It won't know this dash T15 is the command for this command. It will just recommend it as the argument option for this, for the submit script. Yeah, so here
double
is
quote and single quote is
I'm not sure about bash. Usually I'm not sure what's the difference in bash. I think usually use double.
Okay.
So
that's the close bracket.
So this has to be I. So this again, this star is the wildcard everything that has the R1. And then this Kraken profile, yeah, this should be the right. Nope. What's the problem? Unrecognized argument. Didn't I quote it? T thread. Unrecognized argument.
Submit.
Submit is no. Submit is correct. What's going on with this? Or what's going on? Submit. It shouldn't have a problem though. I don't know what's going on. Submit SC2.
Space.
I don't know, I don't see the problem yet. What the heck?
Oh, don't press, don't write submit.
No, it should be there. What's going on here? This shouldn't matter.
Yeah, strange.
Now it works. The submit.
So the submit must be in front.
Hey, I don't expect that actually. I don't expect that. Good. That's weird. But didn't I do the same thing here?
Yeah.
I have no idea. It shouldn't matter. There's no argument for that. Why? You have to put it? It can't be positional argument. I don't know, strange. Okay, so you just put it, then you just put it somewhere. Yeah. Or is it right? No. Yeah. I don't think it's a problem. I don't know. So yeah, then better put the submit in front. Yeah, that's